Hey y'all. Alright, we're doing a leak check right now. York. Furnace with a York coil. You see she's pretty rusty. And she's got a pretty bad leak in it. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. I had to take this little triangle piece off right here in the middle. Because I wasn't picking up anything here. The leak detector wasn't going off, but when I pulled this triangle piece off and stick my leak detector in there, let's show y'all what's going to happen. She went off. Oh, there we go. So this is going to be a replacement more than likely. Good customer. This is actually the lady that does all my business cards and my invoices and all that good stuff. What I'm going to do is call her and we're going to go over some prices and probably leave the furnace. If she decides she wants to go ahead and fix it, which I'm sure she will, I'm going to pull this coil out and I'm going to take a look at the heat exchanger, make sure it's not cracked or stressed or anything like that. If it's not, we'll probably leave the furnace unless she just wants to change it, but it's in good shape. And we'll definitely do the this coil here in the condenser. So I just thought I'd share that with y'all as a quick video, and we'll see what she's gonna do, and then we'll get some video of the change out. Okay, y'all.